Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show mic icon on keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. Well, here I will show you my keyboard display. And then here you can see that there is no mic icon. And then how to show it on the keyboard tools. First, you can click on the three dots here. After that, find out the mic icon. And then you can drag the mic icon to the toolbar like this. Okay, and then the mic icon on your device is successfully added to the keyboard toolbar. Well, that's the tutorial on how to show mic icon on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.